Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So, today in this section, we are going to learn how mixtures can be classified. The textbook starts with a very simple example. Imagine you add some sugar to a glass of water and stir it well. After stirring, the sugar completely disappears. Now, if you take a sip from the top of the glass or from the bottom of the glass, both will taste equally sweet. Now, the question is why? Because the sugar particles are spread evenly throughout the water. The composition is the same everywhere in the mixture. Such mixture is called a homogeneous mixture. Another name for it is a solution. Some common examples of homogeneous mixtures are vinegar, which is acetic acid mixed with water, and soft drinks or soda, where the carbon dioxide is mixed with water. The important point to remember is that a homogeneous mixture looks uniform throughout. We cannot easily distinguish its components. So basically, a homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the different substances are mixed so uniformly that every part of the mixture has the same composition and properties. In the other words, we cannot easily distinguish one component from another because they are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. So now let's look at another example. Suppose we mix sand with water and stir it. At first, it may seem mixed, but if we observe carefully, we can clearly see the sand particles in the water. And if we leave the mixture undisturbed for some time, the sand particles settle at the bottom of the glass. This means the composition is not the same throughout the mixture. Some parts contain more sand while some other parts contain less sand. Such a mixture is called a heterogeneous mixture. So, unlike a homogeneous mixture, a heterogeneous mixture does not have a uniform composition and its components can usually be seen separately. A simple example is sand and water. So, think about oil and water. If we mix them together, do they form a homogeneous mixture or a heterogeneous mixture? Oil and water do not mix uniformly. After some time, the oil forms a separate layer on the top of the water. Other examples of heterogeneous mixtures include soil, muddy water, and vegetable salad, and etc. So, if we summarize this topic, if the composition is uniform throughout, a homogeneous mixture, and if the composition is not uniform and the different components can be seen separately, it is called a heterogeneous mixture. So, this is the basic classification of mixtures that we need to remember.